Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Academic and professional letters of recommendation are decisive in many admission processes for international study programs and several scholarship calls. That is why I will give you the best advice that has helped students for study and win scholarships abroad. Okay, first we need to understand, what is a letter of recommendation for scholarship? The letters of recommendation or references in academic processes and scholarships are a document in which a third party describes who he is, explains how he knows you and gives the reasons why he recommends you for the respective study or scholarship program. So, the important question is, who should write recommendation letter for scholarship? Unlike what is generally believed, letters of recommendation need not be written by important people, such as the dean of the faculty or the general manager of the company with whom you have worked. Alright, the main purpose of the recommendation letter. A scholarship recommendation letter is primarily written by a teacher or professor, but depending upon the situation, the employer or athletic coach can be the right choice to write this. While writing the letter, the author must understand the requirements and use his relationship with the candidate to justify why he recommends the candidate. So, things to include in a recommendation letter. A good scholarship recommendation must fill a page, 300 to 500 words, and consist of the following components. First, you write letterhead. In the top left corner of the page, the author should write the following information. Date of writing. Write recent date. Avoid delivering letters that you have previously requested for other calls and that are generic. Name. Your full name. Title or motive. Letter of recommendation, or reference. Institute name, your college, university, company name, address. In address you can include home address, email address. 2. Introduction. In 2 to 3 lines of the introduction, the author will introduce the candidate, mention the scholarship for which he is writing the letter and write his relationship and length with the candidate. Step 3. Paragraph 1 and 2. In paragraph 1, the author will explain how the candidate fulfills the required criteria. The author can refer to candidate grades or other academic performances to explain the point. Alright. So, in paragraph 2, the author should use solid examples to support his assessment. Okay. Formatting tips for scholarship recommendation letter. It complies with the guidelines that you are asked for. For example, in some cases the institution may ask you that the letter of recommendation be in a previously defined format, that it be written by specific people or that it be sent in a sealed envelope. If so, follow those instructions because they are application requirements that, if not met, can mean your immediate disqualification. 1. Language. If it is for an English program, it is ideal that it be written in that language and that the person serving as a reference can answer questions in that language. However, it is not mandatory that it be handled in this way because you can attach an official translation to your letter of recommendation. 2. Size. It is recommended that the letter of recommendation be between 1 and maximum 1.5 pages in Times New Roman, Arial or Calibri, size 12 and with normal spacing and margins. This way you make sure it is concrete but descriptive enough. 3. Letterhead. Ideally, the letter should be written on a letterhead of the institution to which the teacher belongs or the organization where your boss works. This gives the document more formality and therefore more confidence. 4. Contact information. The letter must clearly include the telephone, postal address and email of the person who recommends you. In this way, the evaluating institution is given the opportunity to contact the person who recommends you to verify the information. In the concluding paragraph, the author should emphasize his endorsement for the candidate and invite the selection committee to contact him by number or email. Also, sign the letter to show its authentication. Thank you for watching. I hope you can easily understand and write recommendation letter for scholarship. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.